Pixellab. I hope you have Pixellab app installed on your mobile phone, and if no, don't worry, I'm going to create a short video showing how to download and install Pixellab app on your mobile phone. All you have to do is to click on the subscriber button and the notification button in order to receive updates on the video posted on my channel. So, going straight to the point, not to waste much of our time. So this is my Pixellab downloaded on my phone. This is it, Pixellab downloaded on my phone. So now I'm clicking on it. So once you click on it, this is the first set of things you will see on your screen. So the tools used in Pixellab, these are the tools used in Pixellab. So the first one I'll be showing you is this three circles overlapping each other. The three circles overlapping each other. So this is the first one I'll be showing you. So the second one is this A, which is editing tools. Third one is the object tools, right, background tools and adjustment tools. So from these three circles overlapping each other, over it you can see my project. So this is where you found your saved project and the previous draft. So clicking on it, and I click on it. So these are my projects. So and I'm still on it. Background, these are the edited background, the designed background. Probably you want to use one of it actually. So these are the edited background. So, and the second tools I'll be showing you is the text editing tools. So as you can see, so notice something here is until you click on text before it brings the complete tools. Is until you click on it. You see, if you unclick it, it will surely hide some tools. So it's until you click on it before it brings out the complete tools. So edit, probably you want to change the text. If you want to change the text, MK concepts. Yeah, MK concepts is it. So you might want to delete it. This is the delete button. Delete text. You have to edit it and change things to your own choice. So MK concept. So this is how it works. If you want to delete, copy. If you want the same copy of this text, so to the front. Probably you have many layers and you want to change the position. Probably you want it to go back to back, as you can see, to front. So if you have many layers and you have to change it to position, if you want to change the position, this is how you can change it. So this is just the rate of the speed. This is where you can change it, the rate of the speed, to the left, to the right. So anyhow you want it. Relative position, you can see. So size, if you want to change the size of the, don't worry, I'm going to simplify it more in my next video. I'm going to simplify it one after the other. So but this video is just all about basic, the fundamental. You have to know the function of each tools. So you need to know the function of each tools. So padding, if you want to change the length, if you want to increase the length, rather you want to increase the length. So texture, I'm going to talk on that later. So opacity, and you want to increase the visibility. You want to change the visibility. So rotate. You want to change the object, the text, font. You want to change the font. And there are many fonts. You see, this app is very great, very great. There are many fonts you can use. Many fonts, various fonts you can use. So bold style, if you want to bold it, italic, underline it, anyhow you want it. Just do something. Just do something. Make things work together. Bring them together, and that is what we call design. That is what we call design. So if you want to call your text, so background, probably you want to give it a background of your own choice. So align. If you have multi-line word, if you have this one is just single line, but if you have multi-line word and you want to align, probably to the center, to the left, to the right, so line spacing, stroke, I want to give it a stroke, I want to outline, give it an outline. So anyhow you want to just design it to your own taste. So shadow, I guess you all know what shadow is. Shadow, just do something from inner shadow. So encode, perspective, 3D rotate. Probably you want to rotate the text. So anyhow, 3D text, as you can see, 3D text. So I think I'm wasting. You see, and let's move to object. You want to drop a shape of your own taste. This is it. This is a shape. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a circle. And give it a color. This is where you can give it a color of your own choice. Just do something. The color of your own choice. As you can see, so that is how you can achieve that. And as you can see, these tools, I think most of them are the same thing. So shadow, you want to give you a shadow, they are the same thing. I moved to background. Okay, I think I still have more things to say. And sticker, you want to import a sticker or emoji depending on the type of design you are doing. So this is how you can achieve that. Arrow, probably you need an arrow to point to something. So this is how you can achieve that. So background, probably you don't want to use the edited background. You can just design background yourself of your own choice. Probably you want to use an image saved on your mobile phone as a background. This is how you can actually achieve that. This is how you can achieve it. So you see, just delete this. You see, so You can crop it. Probably you don't want to use everything, just part of it. So in case you want to use plain color as your background, this is how you can achieve it, using plain color or multicolor as your background. So this is how it works. And this is the adjustment panel tools. So probably you want to change the color and the temperature of your background. This is it. Just go through it and bring something sweet out of it. So that's just it. And bring something suitable out of it. Text, we've already came across one text here. So they are working as one. So but this from gallery is different. If you notice, we came across one from gallery here. Yeah, this from gallery. This from gallery, if you import the image you import from this one is background. Why the image you import from this from gallery is a layer? It's like a layer. It's like a layer. Just imagine I import this. You see? My next video, I'm going to show you how to design a flyer, how to use each tools, how to use them effectively. I'm going to show you how to design a flyer, probably for your company, for an organization, for church. All you have to do is just to click on the subscriber buttons and turn on the notification to receive more updates. Thank you.